As everyone saw, the Stormers had a glorious victory this weekend over Munster in Ireland to extend our lead at the top of the table. Now, I don't want to over-egg the pudding or get ahead of myself too much, but I kind of got to the realization that we might never lose a game again. Now, if you do like talking about shit when it comes to rugby, please remember to hit that follow button. We might actually be sitting in the presence of greatness, witnessing the greatest franchise rugby team to ever grace this earth. Now, some people might say I'm going early, but there's nothing better than buying your stocks early. 6 games, 6 victories, no losses, 3 bonus points, 27 points, clear at the top of the table. Now, let me remind you that this is the same Munster team with all the internationals that played Leinster off the park like they didn't belong in the same universe. It's the same Stormers team that also beat Leinster, by the way, but it was a full-strength Leinster team against Munster, and we just did that. We gave them a 15 or 20 point, whatever it was, head start. I said we're only going to be playing Ruggers for 40 minutes, and we had 2 yellow cards as well. No problemo. No problem. And yes, I will be shameless, because the amount of dog shit that I had to eat last season, when no one wanted to take the excuse about all of our injuries, well, look at this. No Springboks in the team, no Ben Jason Dixon, no Kobus Reinach, no Sasha Feinberg and Komazulu, no Damian Willems. I'm sure I'm missing a couple, right? But those are just the first ones that jump to mind, right? We are absolutely cooking. URC, Champions Cup, we are coming for it all. And if you are Sharks, Bulls, Lions, or any one of our rivals, you'll be wishing you have an Eben Etzebeth in your life to gouge out your eyes as well. Because this is going to be glorious, and you will have to be here for it. Thank you.